There comes a moment when you realize life doesn't need to be bigger, it just needs to be better. Welcome to Briarthorn, the only new maintenance-free ranch home community in Wadsworth, designed for where life is going next. Here, you'll get a ranch home with no stairs to worry about, no snow to shovel, and no lawn to mow. Just simple, comfortable living. Your home will include the upgrades that matter the most. As you pull up, the brick or stone exterior will provide a timeless, classic look. Step inside to a beautiful kitchen with an oversized island and high-end finishes that make hosting a joy. Available walkout basements offer space for hobbies or a place for everyone to gather. Your new home will sit within an existing community that feels like a gated retreat with mature landscaping, peaceful ponds, walking trails, a pavilion, and a clubhouse. You'll love the warm, neighborly feel, the kind of place where neighbors look out for one another and become friends. You're less than 5 minutes from I-76 and Route 21, with I-71 and I-77 also nearby. Grocery shopping will be a breeze, with many options like a local favorite, Buehler's, and Giant Eagle's so close. Meet friends for dinner in downtown Wadsworth. View Wadsworth and Watermain Grill are excellent picks. Don't forget dessert at Dolce at the Strand, and then catch a show at the Celestia Theater. Living here also gives you access to the very reliable and affordable Wadsworth utilities. This includes trash, sewer, electric, and intranet, available only to Wadsworth residents. Maybe you feel like change is needed, or that you want a fresh start in a beautiful new home, with just the right amount of space and less upkeep. Briarthorn is a way for you to live your best life in the perfect location. Want to know how to make the dream of living at Briarthorn a reality? Take action today and click the orange button to see how this community can make living that much better.